stock watchers, and welcome to the Daily Stock Report, brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Thursday, May 17th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets, as well as the top movers we're watching today. In our headline news, with the trend as their friend and bears still coming up short trying to fight the tape, the bulls continue to ride a wave of upward momentum that began in mid-March. All three major averages closed as session highs, fueled by gains in all 10 economic sectors. A buying spree among billionaires, ooh, sounds fun, was the biggest reason behind the Dow logging its 23rd record finish this year. Citigroup was the index's best performer, surging 3.7% after hedge fund manager Eddie Lampert disclosed an $800 million stake. As the fourth most influential constituent on the S&P 500, Citigroup's surge also had a noticeable impact on the broader market and helped restore some much-needed leadership in the underperforming financial sector. Johnson & Johnson was another Dow winner following reports that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway nearly doubled its stake in J&J. Microsoft was the third Dow component to make headlines due to an increased ownership stake from a high-profile investor. George Soros Fund Management LLC said it more than doubled its investment in the tech bellwether. In fact, such strong gains from so many other blue-chip names this year ushered in two separate attempts to lock in gains intraday. But the bears' overbought argument fell on deaf ears and was no match for the underlying bullish momentum that has lifted stocks virtually uncontested for several weeks now. Separately, investors did sift through some economic data today as well. Housing starts unexpectedly rose 2.5% in April to 1.528 million, but building permits, a sign of future construction, plunged 8.9% to a 10-year low. Nonetheless, more proof that housing remains mired in a deep slump wasn't exactly a big surprise. And now for our small cap news, brought to you by Novori Incorporated today. Founded in 2004, Novori Incorporated is a publicly traded independent online jewelry retailer with headquarters in Bellingham, Washington, with operations in California. Novori was founded with the specific aim to become a leader in the online retail industry by serving a growing target market with integrity and honesty. Bioforce Nanosciences Incorporated announced today that the company has recorded its highest quarterly revenue in company history. Revenue was $358,755 versus $201,376 in the first quarter of 2006. The company's net loss for the first quarter of 2007 was $923,317 as compared with a net loss of $1.252562 million, the first quarter of 2006. The company also announced in March that the sale of the Nano Enabler molecular printer to Louisiana Tech University in Ruston, Louisiana. Louisiana Tech will use the Nano Enabler technology to study the patterning of cells, both brain and stem, in culture. Bioforce Nanosciences develops and commercializes nanotech tools and solutions for the life sciences. The company is also involved in the invention, research, and development of patented and patent-pending products. Osteologics Incorporated announced today that Philip J. Young, president and CEO, will present the company's new product, which is under development for the treatment of osteoporosis, at the Acumen Biofin Rodman and Renshaw 4th Annual Global Healthcare Conference in, of all places, Monte Carlo, Monaco, on Monday, May 14th, 2007. The company also announced this month that it has completed enrollment in the STRONG study, its Phase 2 clinical trial of NBS-101, the company's investigational drug for osteoporosis. The study will focus on the enrolled 289 postmenopausal women, do not look at me, with low bone mineral density. The primary endpoint in the trial is the change in patients' bone resorption after the completion of the 12-week trial. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And guys, make sure to watch for the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
Transmission is coming to you. You've got it.